17 now.
Can you really see it from there? I don't believe you.
17?
No! And the competition draw is followed as usual by the instant jump preparations, of course. So tunneling preparations. Here's the German team, the German FAI Open Class team, the Jochen Schweizer Air Force. Then we have the German four-way women team. To me, no, that's the indoor team is Peterrock. Alright, let's move on here. This is Meraki, the British four-way team. We saw them in the tunnel earlier. And here in this corner we have the Austrian team. It's the Austrian team. It's the Aerodynamics. Yeah, we see them finally. Hello, gentlemen. From the Austrian delegation, the Qatar Tigers are already on the creepers with Andy. Andy, how's the competition draw for you?
Pretty good. Yeah.
Like it?
We're actually going through it right now, and there's nothing really funky in it, so pretty happy with it.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's see.
Yeah,
Tomorrow,
let's see.
what?
Is Ramadan over yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. Still in it.
Guys are really.
But it's dark now, so they can eat and drink now, right?
Yeah, now they're already drinking it.
Yeah.
All right, see you guys tomorrow.
All right, where's next? Here's next. More red and more Belgian business. It's NMP-PCH Hayabusa with David Growls on camera. You know, on camera.
Let's say the fifth pair eye.
We are on the camera angle here now, so watching it. What do you think about the draw? Is any?
It's not too bad. If you look at it, I think a lot of randoms out of the door.
Oh, I see. Does it make a difference in the tunnel actually, or at the door? Kind of.
Not so much in
Not
this
so
one.
much,
No,
huh?
not so much in this one because with the immediate air and a nice door to have is doesn't make that much of a difference. But it's always nice to start with the random instead of the block.
Yeah, we know. We are so used to that from the outdoor.
It's gonna be a fun meet. It's gonna be a
For
very
sure.
exciting meet, I think.
Yeah. So you trained in Wrocław.
Yes.
Did you drive or did you fly?
They drove from Belgium to Poland. Yeah, it was about 10 hours, and then we drove together from Wrocław to Tatralandia.
I missed you by one day in Wrocław.
Yeah, sorry for that.
Yeah.
But still, I think we have time to catch up.
Yeah, we will catch up. Thanks, Dave.
Yo.
NMP-PCH Hayabusa. Let's see who else we find. This is like, that's a beer 30 time. They are done with the preparations, I guess. And here we have Sweden, Echo Chamber, discussing the draw. Not busy yet. Who's here? Oh, that's Agera with Armand. The new guy, Armand Shuttle, and there he is in the rear piece, preparing for round one. Armand. Well, we'll introduce him later and we'll say hi later. But that is Agera 2000. Yeah, hi with Armand in there. That's who he is. A famous guy here. There's Armand. Yeah. Hi, nice to meet you. We'll talk later.
Yes.
And then here's another totally interesting team, the Italian team with the famous Marco Arrigo and Arianna De Benedetti right here in front of us, who were teammates in, I don't know, 2004, 5, 6, whatever, long ago. And Arianna is now back in action, in forward action. There she is, with the Italian forward team. And there is actually the other Italian team, the Italian four-way women team. There you are, finally in person. All right.
Yes.
So, are you first watching what
Yes.
the opening class team is doing?
And then we try to do the same.
Ready for it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we are.
Good to have you here. And we continue with Spain. Right here. Now here.
I like it. How are you? This is Libby.
Yeah, well, I've seen you before on the show. I've seen this guy. He was sitting there very lonesome there in the corner observing the whole thing. I would do the same. Ignore me. Okay, we're back here with NFTO, the top contender in for women, as we all know. Okay, let's move this direction here. Now we see the Italian team on the creepers. And here is Lithuania, I believe. Magic for, no, it's Hungary. Hungary with a new lineup, Bronterok. Is it? No, it's not. No, it is Lithuania, I guess. I have to figure that out. An unfamiliar team. And then there's the Flying Circus, the HF Flying Circus. You know those guys. Jan Klapka there on the left with his advice for the four-way open class team. But there must also be... Oh, here they are! Okay. At the same time, the HF Flying Rebels are walking through their competition for the four-way junior event. The HF Flying Rebels. Okay, it is Lithuania Magic 4. And here we are in the French corner with Mathieu Bernier, the national coach, looking over his four-wheel women team. With Elise Poindron with a new haircut. If people may not or may wonder, as I did, who this is, now we know it's Elise actually. No new team member. And they're coming here also with a very, very strong lineup, obviously, for all the people who are insiders. And we see here's Poland with Sky for All. I think we will probably be covering the whole field of teams here. Sky for 4 also with I think this is the original lineup or the complete lineup, maybe not. I think they have an alternate, possibly an alternate in there. Still in the French corner here with the four-way open class team who competed at the Shamrock Showdown with a very strong performance, took the second place there. And here we have Bronterok, the Hungarian four-way team. Actually a little bit out of sight, a little bit further away. There are some more teams and we're gonna take a look. One is the Swiss team, as it looks, in the same corner with Arizona S-Beat. Arizona S-Beat also a little bit further away from the, not creeping yet. We're gonna leave them alone. And then there's the Swiss team. Alright, back. Who did we miss? Well, here is Inity from Brazil. So it looks like everybody's really here. Often teams leave the competition site and go to other places to prepare for the jumps. But here we have everybody. And that is also a new lineup, a new Inity lineup. We'll talk more about this later. And that's all on this side of the... Alright, take one more quick look. If we missed anybody, it looks like well, I would have to call the number of teams that we have seen here now, but I'm quite confident that we have seen all 19 teams here. That we had on the list from the power rankings in the previews. And there's a lot of teams waiting for creepers, I guess. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of creepers, and I'm standing in the middle of another creeping area here. And teams are waiting, so to put it down.